Okay guys, here is the kitchen to size and scale. Starting off with the sink wall, our sink window, the sink centered, dishwasher to the right, drawer stacks, glass cabinets. The interior would be finished, but clear inset glass doors, trash pull out, a spice pull out, another. Okay guys, here's our kitchen to size and scale. The biggest change is possibly, this is an idea, to put a wall across the corner and have the range at an angle to get it out of that tight corner. So a wood hood above it. This is a 30-inch range and the hood is 36 and it would go to the ceiling with crown molding above it and a blower motor that's inserted into the bottom. A tray divider, cookie sheet cabinet to the left, and this would just be open space, but the countertop would span across this triangle shape. Drawer stack to the right of the range, spice pull out, tray divider, your sink, kitchen window centered, dishwasher, drawer stacks, floating shelves, upper cabinets with glass doors, refrigerator, upper cabinets, the floor to ceiling cabinet. I know that was a question mark, but a floor to ceiling cabinet here, and base cabinets with a drawer stack. And the island is 6 feet long. These cabinets are 24 deep. Drawer stack, a standard cabinet, adjustable shelf. Any place you see a door, it is adjustable shelving, and the microwave on the end. And I have another layout keeping it similar to what we have. I didn't quite finish all this up here, but this is just to show you with the range approximately where it is, just to pull it out of that corner. It's challenging having this range here in reference to these uppers and close to the window like we currently have it. But I think this might be a good solution, of course, if you guys like it, to put the range at an angle. So that would be a pretty simple wall to frame across and finish. You lose a little bit of cabinet space, but I think it opens up the kitchen and makes the flow and this an acceptable area, and it looks appropriate to me. But this is what we have so far, and with these walls there'd be a panel here because that wall steps out 14, but these are 24 deep, so there'd be a shaker panel there. And same thing with this side here. There'd be a panel on the left side, but that wall comes out 7.5 to cover up the side of it, but that would be paneled. The sides of the island are paneled, and the back would have paneling on it. So here it is. Let me know what you think, and if this works, we can just keep sharpening our pencil and fine-tuning things. Thank you.